Log in to 922S5 and MuLogin. Select country. Select state. Select city. Click search. Right-click. Click port to proxy. Click on 30,000 used. Click port forward list. Let's copy one of them and use it. Click browser list on MuLogin. Click add browser. Fill in your name. Select source file in proxy server. Paste the IP and port you just copied. Click check the network. The proxy test is successful. Click save. Added successfully. Click open. Automatic jump. Added successfully. Enter IPLOCOTLN.com to check whether the IP address has changed. IP has been replaced and 922S5proxy is the same as above. This is the process used by 922S5proxy in MuLogin.